Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new, I'm Melissa and I make fashion and beauty and lifestyle content here on this channel, and today we're going to be doing another big beauty haul. So first and foremost, we're going to see what I got in my GlossyBox, and then we're going to jump into all the goodies that I got from Sephora. So here is the GlossyBox. It is so cute. I love the packaging. We're gonna jump into all of the products in just a second. So if you didn't know, GlossyBox is a beauty subscription service where they send you around 5 products each month, and it's over like a $75 value, which is really, really good. So it's some travel sizes, some full size, just depending on the month. And this month in particular, the theme is pure relaxation. So, oh my goodness, you guys know if you've been following along that I need something like this in my life. I need to relax. So for the subscription box, you can buy it monthly or get it in 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions. So they gave me a coupon, which was really nice of them. It is Mel16. I'll put a link in the description box down below. If you want to click on it, it will have the coupon code like already integrated into it, and then you can just check out. This is one of those things where it's like a perfect treat to have for yourself every month. I used to do other beauty subscription services in the past, and this is my first time trying GlossyBox. They actually sent this to me, so that was super nice of them. So we're gonna open this up together and see what's inside. All right, so on top of the box, we have a little pamphlet. I will read this to tell you more about the products as we go through them. But then there's also this little flyer that talks about their 2020 advent calendar that's coming out. So I love advent calendars. I always get the beauty one from Trader Joe's. This one looks a little bit more kind of me. Oh my gosh, there's Glow Recipe in it, Elemis, Victor, and Rolf. I'm excited for this. All right, so the first thing that I see in the box is this Terre de Mars body cleanser. So this is a full size. It retails for $23. It says clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting it all at the same time. It's an organic, low foaming aromatic cleansing gel. Let's see if it smells good. Ooh, it smells a little bit like essential oils, but in kind of like a spa formulation. I'm so excited to try this out. You guys know me, I thrive on clean beauty. I have very sensitive skin, we all know. The first ingredient is water, but the second is aloe. So that's nice. I'm really excited to try that out. And I love that there's full-size products in here. In other subscription services I've had in the past, they've been all travel size or like sample size, and I'm not really a fan of that. I want like a big juicy product, if you know what I mean. The next thing we are going to look at is this Stress Check Clean Hands hand sanitizer from This Works. This is a travel size. The full size is 250 milliliters and this one's 60, but I kind of prefer the travel size because I always have a hand sanitizer on me because I'm always going to and from school, to and from places, so this is awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's like a step up from a hand sanitizer. It's like you're supposed to be able to wash your hands with this without water. Obviously, the best thing to do is wash your hands, but in a pinch, this is gonna be super awesome to try. Ooh, it smells good. Let's just give it a little go now. I'm just gonna do a little bit. I have my rings on. I'm trying to avoid the rings. Okay, so it feels literally like a hand sanitizer. I think it just has like some aloe in it and some essential oils and stuff just to make it smell really good. Ooh, it smells like lavender. I like that. Okay, the next thing we're gonna try from this box, this is so fun, is this I'm excited about. It is the astaxanthin collagen all-in-one gel from DHC. Sorry, it is a mouthful to say that. It's a lightweight facial moisturizer that tones, hydrates, and brightens the skin in one step. It's powered by astaxanthin. It's a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C. Vitamin C is pretty effective. And 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. Actually, fun fact, I learned this in my nutrition degree, vitamin E prevents peroxidation of lipids. So if you're having a high-fat diet, you need some vitamin E in your diet as well to kind of prevent that oxidation. Fun fact. Oh my gosh, this is $49. And this whole box, with my code, it's 16, but normally it's 21. So like you're already getting your value in one of these products. I like boxes like this, where like you get your value in one product and the rest is just like goodies. So I'm excited to try this out. It looks intense. I'm not gonna lie, I prefer squeezy tubes for cleanliness purposes. Oh, she's thick. It doesn't smell like anything, but I don't know if that's because I smelled like really strong essential oils already, but this feels really nice. Normally, if it's a cream, it goes on thick and it just kind of sits there, and a gel kind of disperses really fast, and this is kind of like the best of both worlds. It has the spreadability of a gel, and it has the hydration of a cream, or like a moisturization of a cream. That's really nice. And it dried down, so it doesn't feel tacky. I'm excited to give that a go. Okay, next, the 4 Sigmatic hot cocoa with reishi. 10 packets are normally $20. It's kind of pricey. I have the coffee version of this, and it's so delicious, and it was my favorite coffee for a while. The only reason why I stopped getting it was because it's a little bit pricey, so this is like an amazing treat to have. I'm like absolutely loving this box. Love this. Okay, this next thing, I need to like read what this is. It's a Daily Concept mitt. This is a full-size product. Detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow. Made for your body, this cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. Okay, this is definitely an exfoliator. So it's like a textured mitt. I like that you can wash this. I don't like products that you can't run through the washer because I'm really worried about germs. But this is cool. This will be great for my back. Last but not least, we have the David Natural Toothpaste. So this is a deluxe mini. I'm definitely gonna be putting this in my little travel case that I have. I have like certain products I tuck away for when I need to go on vacations or like little trips or whatever. I can show you guys that if you want. I bought this really cool case and I have all my products in there. But or I'll just give this to Nick because Nick always runs out of toothpaste before telling me that he's about to run out. Oh my gosh, there's a sneak peek for October. Something extra special is coming next month. October isn't just about Halloween. It's time to embrace your alter ego and try out new, alluring, and captivating beauty looks. All right, I'm sold. This is awesome. If you guys want me to start unboxing these on my channel, let me know because I think I'm gonna like sign up for this myself because this is something I'm truly into. It's definitely more skincare based. Obviously, we didn't get any makeup products in this, but I like buying my own makeup products, honestly. So I really like having this like luxurious feeling spa box come to me every month. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the huge Sephora haul that I had. I know this is a teeny little bag, but it's absolutely packed. All right, let's just dive into all the goodies that I got. I'm so excited. I know I just did a beauty haul, but I couldn't help myself. I had to go to Sephora, so I went. All right, first thing I got was the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. One of my favorite beauty gurus suggested this, and I was like, I gotta have it. I'm also running out of my other setting sprays. Package is stunning. I'm not able to try a lot from Charlotte Tilbury because she uses a lot of talc in her products, but this was fine by me. The next thing I got, I'm so excited about. It is the new Conceal the Deal Longwear Full Coverage Foundation from Lawless. I got 2 shades just to make sure that one would work for me. And I'm not gonna lie, I put one on today. I dug into the little package. I think Seashell was my shade. Now I got 2 of the lighter shades and I definitely need to go back. I put a ton of bronzer on because it was too light for me. And I used a darker powder. So these are a little light for me, unfortunately, but we're going into the cooler months like fall and winter. So I'm thinking about just keeping these. And then if I love the formula long term, then I'll pick up a darker shade for next summer. But I will say I love this foundation way more than the last foundation she put out. I feel like the last foundation she put out was an absolute disaster, but this one's really good. So I'm excited to try these. I'll open it so you can see. It has a little clean AF thing on the side and it's just cute. I just like little luxe packaging. It does seem small, but I guess it's standard for foundations. The next products I got were the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. These are my absolute favorite eyeshadow topper products. I love these so much. I can use them year round. They're super, super glittery. I got Diamond Dust, Kitten Karma, and Molten Midnight. I'm gonna open them really fast for you right now because these shades are absolutely gorgeous. I've literally used these for years. I just ran out of my other ones. I was using minis last year and I used them up, so I had to repurchase these. So these are definitely a repurchase item. Look how beautiful. I'm gonna swatch all of them for you right now just so you can see. So this one is Diamond Dust, this one is Molten Midnight, and this one is Kitten Karma. Just look how glittery those are. I'm really excited to try Molten Midnight. This is new to me. The other ones are the 2 that I've always bought, but this one's new to me and I'm so excited to try it for like Halloween and fall. Oof, I'm so excited. Next, I got a new powder. This is the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. This one sold me because I didn't realize that Jouer had such a cute powder and it was talc free. I don't think of Jouer as a clean beauty brand because they don't market themselves that way, but their products are pretty clean, which is shocking. Look at this packaging, so luxe. I'm really excited to try it out. This looks like it'll work for me. I know my foundation's a little off today, but whatever. But I'm so excited to try it. Ooh, buttery. I should have worn this today. You're not gonna be able to see it. It just blended into my hand. It's like my correct shade. So excited. I'm gonna keep you updated on all these products. I'm gonna be doing a fall tutorial pretty soon, and I'm really excited about it. I want to utilize that Molten Midnight shade. Okay, so you guys know I absolutely love Hourglass products. It's probably my favorite brand is Hourglass. And they came out with the Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. Well, they didn't just come out with this. I don't know why I said it like that. And Euphoric Fusion. I've been wanting this shade for a while, and I was having a really bad day, so I went to Sephora, and I'm like, you know what? Today is the day. That's the packaging. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I love that. I literally just can't. I'm obsessed. My lips are getting a little dry. It's a sign I've been talking a lot. I'm so excited to try this out. It is definitely a fall color. So beautiful. We have 3 products left. So next I got the Patrick Ta Oshi Single Lipstick. That's the shade name. Here she is. Love the packaging. I don't understand why all the packaging though is the shiny color. It just gets so messy, you know? So I thought this was gonna be way more nude based off of the color on here. So here's the color. Do you see the difference? Still a very pretty color though. And I just bought a MAC lipstick in Creme de Nude to try to tone down my fall lipsticks. So I guess we can have a MAC haul if you guys want to, because I bought a couple products from there. All right, last thing I got, no, 2 more things. Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in 13. The shade's 13. I've wanted this for forever, but look how cute and little. Oh my gosh, I love that. It's just a really beautiful pigment, and I'm getting back into pigments. Like, I don't know what it is about me lately, but I'm like loving old school videos. I'm loving old school formulas, old school like pigments. Like, pigments are so old school, but I'm literally obsessed with them. This, let me swatch for you. So glittery and shimmery. Oh my goodness, you can see that shine because I can see the shine in the little viewfinder. Absolutely love this. This is gonna be a great inner corner highlight, or to put in the center of my lid or the brow bone. I could probably even highlight my face with this if I really wanted to. This is just so beautiful, and it just gives you that like a juicy look, which I'm about right now, so. And then last but not least, I actually got this from Look Fantastic. I know I did that campaign with them, but I've been ordering from them since then, like with my own money and all that. Literally loving them. I think I still have my coupon code still works with them. I will put it on the screen now, and I will link everything down below. But this I'm super excited about. It is the Oskia SPF Vitamin Mist. This is a clean beauty formulation. First of all, look at that packaging. Like, are you kidding me? That's beautiful. Now this is a super liquidy formula, super thin. And so I'm gonna be able to spray this on my face super fast. I'll be able to spread it in really easily. It has an SPF of 30 and it has pro vitamin D. Oh, this also has astaxanthin in it. Interesting, I guess that's popular. So this was a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it is so worth it. I've been using the Say Beauty SPF, which I like, but it kind of gives me a strong sheen throughout the day. So I'm really excited to try a spray. It might give me a sheen still, but if the application is so easy, I can just spray and go, then of course I'm gonna go for it. And I will even try it as a setting mist. I don't know if that's gonna work, but like, I'm down to try anything. All right, you guys, that's it. That is the end of the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I am absolutely loving this GlossyBox. I'll put the details again in the description box. That way you can see everything. And you guys know I love me a little Sephora haul. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and click the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload a video. But that is all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.